Hi, I'm Sarah Brown, and I'm an Enterprise Brand Manager here at TopSpot. Today, I will be showing you how to view Fortune 500 companies that have visited your website using the Loop Analytics User Behavior Reporting tool. Let's get started. First, you will need to log into your Loop Analytics account. When you log into Loop and go to the User Behavior Report, you will see a lot of new features. One of those is the ability to see when a company from the Fortune 500 list has visited your website. These visitors will be pinned to the top of your report in the column titled Service Provider Domain and designated with an icon. All other businesses will be shown below any Fortune 500 companies. Also, just like with the leads report you are already familiar with, you can drill down into the customer data and see exactly what pages the visitor went to and what actions they took. This information can show you how well your site is working for you and give you more information about how to approach those visitors. Other features, such as the Columns button, allow you to customize what information you are viewing about your visitors. For example, by adding the column New or Returning Visitor, you can gain insights into the number of people from a specific company that have visited your website and whether or not they returned after their first visit. Or, if it's a larger corporation, by selecting city and region, you can narrow down which location or branch the website user is visiting you from. This report and any of the columns you choose can also be easily exported to be shared with your sales and marketing teams. Contact your TopSpot team for a custom demonstration on how this applies to your data.